Just wrapped on the photo shoot for our March promotional advertising.
Yes.
Domi is wearing our new accessories line and our little headbands that we have in. We've gotten all kinds of new things for spring. We had Katie Vegas and the show was fabulous. You can actually come in and see some of her knitwear. We have it here at the shop and it is gorgeous. She came when it was 13 below zero. 13 below zero, but it was perfect weather for her sweaters and all of her knitwear. We stayed warm and had a fabulous time. You can see all of her knitwear at katievegas1.com. And speaking of which, we have Kit Rogers, who just wrote a book, coming to our shop this upcoming March 9th, and he will be doing makeovers with our new mineral makeup line, Pure Colors. Kit is a dear, dear longtime friend of mine, and so he's like the girlfriend's girlfriend. And if you want to get more information about it, you can go to makeupandphotography education.com.